series of 1 mods. Interesting. These are the elevators at the Doubletree by Hilton in Fairlawn, Ohio. This used to just be a regular Hilton. These are old Dovers with Series 1 mods. Very strange. Four. 988 phone. Dead indicator. And number 1. Or actually, here, we'll get the other car on 1. Because this indicator's completely dead. Very strange mods, to say the least. It's weird that this is a Doubletree, because the hotel next to this, which is now Holiday Inn Express, used to be the Doubletree. Let's try to get the other car now. Button's correct. Here comes the other one. Here it is. Same cab as the other one. Panels on this side. This panel's loose. £2,500 capacity. Non-88 phone. The 4 barely lights up. Door close does not work. Again, very loose panel. Very strange mods. That's all that works with the indicator. So we'll watch the button go out. Series 1 buttons. Strangest mods I've seen.